Alright, my peeps, so today is October 29, 2:30, and guess what, man? The Green Broz Inc, they sent me my box. They sent me my stuff that I left behind, man, at the MJBiz Con. So I'm happy, I'm relieved. So yeah, they shipped it out on, what's I think Monday or no, Tuesday. So it took what, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then finally it's here today. But there you go. It's coming from Vegas, you see, Vegas, Nevada, and that's me. Alright, my peeps, so I'm gonna do this unboxing video later on, but yeah, so it's here. I just heard the guy, you know, UPS, and I step out, I'm like, damn, bro, thank goodness, and he just passed it over. You know, he didn't even give me a chance to open the door, he just passed it over to the top. But nah, it's all good. But yeah, so it's here, I'm happy, I'm relieved. So pretty much everything worked out in the Vegas trip, because I thought I ruined my experience and ruined the trip by losing this or leaving this behind. But ultimately, it's here, it's back in my possession, and this is all the gear that I took for my camera. So hopefully it's all in here, everything. Alright. Later's my peeps. It's a beautiful day, man. And this is Friday. On Sunday, I'll give you guys a garden update. I know it's been overdue. I didn't even do a summer update, but it's all good. Alright, laters. Alright, my peeps, so this is what happened. Since I left my box with all my accessories for my camera, I need my little screw, the little attachment, so I can actually attach my camera to the tripod. So what I gotta do is make this video first, this unboxing first. Alright, to see if I can get that thing back. Okay, so I sent a video, I reached out to Green Broz, you know, telling them that I screwed up, and I sent them a little quick video of what exactly it was, the little box. So then Marco's pretty much told me that they found my box. And so I went ahead and I sent them my address, and yeah. So it's here, and we're gonna go ahead and do the unboxing. Alright then. Hopefully it's all there. So here you go. They shipped it to me in this big box right here. But yeah, it's coming from Vegas, you see? So this is the stuff I left behind. Hopefully everything's in here, my peeps. Oh man. Alright then. Yeah, I was so excited, dude. I started from getting a bunch of free stuff that I just went to go get my cart and my tripod. I literally forgot those stuff, all my accessories for my camera. Alright. It seems like they did send me everything. Cool. Alright, peeps. So I want to kind of revise this real quick. Hopefully, actually let me use a box to stand up, to place my camera, so then I can open this up. So there you go. Look. This is my selfie stick for the camera, so you know, I'm glad I got it back. Oh man, sweet. Okay, so that's that. Oh, and then my broken par meter. That's the one I was supposed to show to Travis. But Travis is cool, dude. But he pretty much got this replaced. Yep. My par meter, I took it. Which I actually did get it replaced. Then all my other accessories, man. Alright, great. This is awesome. This is for the chest. For the head. Oops, sorry, for the head. For the chest. And then right here I have my memories, which is good. Right here is my memories. You see my extra SD cards. That's good. This is my original battery charger. And yeah, this is the main cable to actually transfer the data and to charge the camera. You see? It even has the Y, because that's the model of the camera. It's a YI 4K camera or Y. Yeah, so you have my little booklets. Still have the original stuff. You see, for my little selfie. Yeah, so this is the brand. It's not a GoPro. Yeah, so there you go. You see, it's a 4K action camera, Bluetooth selfie stick. Yep, so I still have my original stuff for my camera. Yeah, so I'm glad I got it back. Yeah, I would have been really bummed out if I would have lost all my accessories. See, this is the original booklet for my camera. Oh, my case broke. Actually, my water case, the housing, I gotta show you guys, it broke over there. Yeah, so I gotta order a new one. I just remember right now. But yeah, so the damn case broke, man. Yeah, so it's just kind of like going over it real quick, but yeah. Alright. What else? What else in here? Oh, these are just more attachments to like, and then this is a battery, an extra battery. This is my battery, my backup battery. It's charged. Hopefully, it's still charged. But yeah, so there you go. You see? So. And then I have this extra cable too. It has all these different attachments. My little sister got me this. Pretty cool. I love it. Yeah, so we still have a few things in this. I didn't even get a chance to open it or use it. But yeah, but it's still good. I have more data. I have more memory. So I could film with confidence, you know. Alright. I'll open that up. And this is like I got for free. Well, Jose gave me these. He got them for free at the MJBiz. So I don't know who gave it to him, but since they're supposedly organic, he's like, I'll let you have them. Because I was going to roll it up. Oh man, you see this right here? This is Jose's, so whenever I get to see him, I'll give it back. But yeah, this is Jose's. Yeah, because I left my box, I couldn't charge it. So luckily in the room that he was letting me stay there, this was around, and I was like, cool, man. And I was charging my phone with this too, my phone and my camera. Yeah, man. So this came through, but this is Jose, so I'm gonna give it back to him. And let me see what else. And my brush, so I could brush my hair. Camera, my light, headlamp. Oh man, And then these I got them from Dr. Colin Bell. Like he gave me these. He handed these personally to me himself. Yeah, so, and I'm gonna roll some splits with this. Yeah. And then you never know. So I'm gonna carry that. And guess what? We're here. Look, it's in here. This is the little attachment part that I was telling you. Alright, last 3 items. This is my essential oils. That's what I like to put on my body so I can smell good. I don't use colognes or perfumes or anything else. No chemicals. So I just use this peppermint stuff, essential oils. And then I have my pen. You know, I was writing stuff down. And this is the little attachment part for my tripod. Alright. Yeah, so I got it back. So I got everything back. Except, I know the seeds. I had a green container, my peeps, and that's what I have my seeds. They couldn't ship that back, so it's cool, man. And you know what's cool? All those seeds, it's probably like, maybe like, between halfway and a quarter, but more than a quarter full. I would say like a quarter full, and it was my genetics. So I hope they spread them and they grow them. I'm gonna let them know though. I'm gonna hit them up because they can have them. But I really I hope they could document it or something, pheno hunt it or whatever. But yeah, that's the only thing that stayed behind, my seeds. But it's all good. My intention was to spread them, you know, to give them away. All right, my peeps, I got everything for free. I mean, everything for free. I got everything back. Look, there you go. Kind of lay it out. So, Green Broz Inc. Thank you, muchas gracias for returning my personal belongings. And yeah, so if I would have lost this and I got it back, it would have ruined the not ruined it, but that would have been like the thing that I did dumb on the trip. But no, the whole trip worked out perfectly, man. You know, in the end, everything worked out perfectly, so it's all good. All right, my peeps, I'm gonna open. I didn't even get to open this, dude. I didn't even get to use none of this stuff in reality. Yeah, I wasn't even using my tripod because I tried using it in the beginning, but it's too big, too tall. Got on the way. I could move around freely with my camera, just holding it, but I just have to be careful of not blocking the mic. Look, see right here, I blocked the mic. I blocked the mic halfway. I blocked the mic 3/4 of the way. So I don't know if it changed. We'll see. But there you go. We're cool, right? Alright. Peace, love, and health. And don't get too excited. And no, I wasn't too high. I was just too excited, man. And yeah, don't leave your stuff behind. And if you do, be quick about it, be smart about it, reach out and get it back. Alright. Laters.